Hi, this is Stan from Stan for Adventure, a channel dedicated to the new adventure rider. I've been riding motorcycles my whole life, but I'm new to the adventure bike scene and all the gear and accoutrements that go along with it. And today I'm going to be reviewing the Legacy boot from Forma. I have to say that I do receive some small sponsorship support from Forma, but that in no way will affect my review of the boot, which I chose to buy. For riding around town and for some very light off-road use, I decided to get the Legacy boot from Forma. The boot is full grain oiled leather with Dry-Tex waterproofing. Although I do have to admit I really haven't put them through their paces on a nice rainy day, a lot of water, so I'm not sure how well the Dry-Tex works. The boot also has a nice stylistic pleating in the back here, so you get a lot of good movement. The boots were very comfortable right out of the box. The sole has a nice design that grips really well in loose gravel, on the road when you're stopped at stoplights and everything. I've never had any problems. I've never had any slippage when I put my foot down. The boot has a reinforced toe and heel. The boot has CE certified protection. It also has internal ankle protection, as well as gear shift lever reinforcement on both boots to keep it consistent and look nice. The boot zips up the side and has a Velcro closure to make it nice and neat around your ankle. I doubt you can see it, but the boot does have an anti-shock midsole insert. This is a great boot at a nice price point that is a compromise between safety, looking good, and comfort. I have polished them once. These aren't looking too bad. I did take them off-road. They got a little dusty, a little muddy, a little dirty, and I just wiped them clean and used that supermarket sponge dye stuff and got them looking pretty close to new again. I definitely recommend these boots from Forma. I will put a link from Forma down below. If you liked the video, please subscribe, hit the like button, and thanks very much for watching. Bye-bye from Stan for Adventure.